Drink from the fountain, that's holy water. Watch as you're put to the test.